everyone! Welcome to an exciting and fun-filled virtual class with me, Teacher Jen. Today's topic is about recognizing the short vowel sounds of A, E, and I. So let's get started. Short vowel sound of A. To produce the short vowel sound A, the front of the tongue is pushed further forward and is held lower in the mouth when forming the short A sound. Here are examples. Attend, abstract, assist, animal. Now it's your turn. Read the words aloud producing the A sound. Now let us proceed to the short vowel sound of E. The short E sound is relatively relaxed vowel sound. The middle of the tongue rounds slightly upward and the sides of the tongue may lightly touch the top and bottom side teeth. The lips and jaw are loose and relaxed. Let's try these words. Pen, send, lemon, elastic. Read the words on your own producing the E sound. Finally, the short vowel sound of I. To produce the short E sound, keep the lips relaxed and the front area of the tongue in the high position. Listen as I read these words. Drink, think, ship, swim. Try it. Read these words aloud producing the E sound. That's the end of our discussion, recognizing the short vowel sounds of A, E, and I. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson. See you only here on Teacher Jen's Virtual Class.